For a moment in World War II, Germany came terrifyingly close to winning the war with submarines. Then almost overnight those same submarines began disappearing beneath the waves, not to hide but forever, raising a single question: what changed? Beneath the Atlantic Ocean, an unseen war was being fought with no explosions on land and no marching armies, just steel hulls, silent engines, and men waiting in the dark, as Germany's U-boats were designed to choke Britain into surrender one cargo ship at a time. And at first they worked, but there was a problem Germany never truly solved. Early in the war, U-boats were predators as they hunted at night on the surface, moving fast on diesel engines, and from a distance they blended into the sea almost invisible, while British convoys were exposed because of weak radar, limited sonar, and aircraft that couldn't fly far enough. There was a vast stretch of ocean with no protection at all, which sailors called the Atlantic Gap, and inside the gap ships vanished, revealing the truth most people miss: German U-boats were not built to live underwater because they were surface ships that could briefly dive, diesel engines needed oxygen, batteries drained fast, and after-hours underwater crews had no choice because they had to surface. And Germany tried to cheat this reality with a new invention called the Snorkel. A metal tube that let the engines breathe while submerged, but it came at a cost of slower movement, shallow depth, and constant exposure to detection, meaning the ocean was no longer hiding them. And the ocean had become transparent. Germany knew the answer because they needed a submarine that could stay underwater, fast, silent, and independent of the surface, so they built the Type XXI U-boat, which was revolutionary, being faster underwater than above, having massive batteries, and being designed for continuous submersion, making it the future of submarine warfare. But history is unforgiving and the future arrived too late. Germany didn't lose the Atlantic because their submarines were weak. They lost because a system defeated a weapon. The combination of radar, long-range aircraft, turned the sea into a battlefield Germany could no longer survive. And that is the submarine problem Germany could never solve. So if you enjoyed this video where technology decides history, like, subscribe for more, and don't forget to leave your comments. This is Invent KE. I am your host Jessa Remy Augustine.